how are you? I hope all are fine. So last class what we learned? We learned chapter 6, that is measurement. Am I correct? Yes. So in that length we learned, right? In length already we learned what we learned in the grade 1, tall, short, like that we learned. Length means what? Tall, short, like that we learned. Tall, short means what? From that tall, short, what we have to learn? Centimeter and meter. Okay. So that one only we learned, right? So we learned centimeter and meter. So from that, if you have any doubt, you have to ask. Okay, basic things we are learning here. So if you have anything doubt means you have to ask. Then today we are going to see kilograms. Okay, kilograms. So from that length what we studied, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. That only we learned, right? If you are converting centimeters to meters, we studied 100 centimeters equal to 1 meter. Okay. Then see here, today we are going to see kilogram. Okay, kilogram. You have to convert into kilogram into gram and gram into kilogram. From this also, see here you have to learn this. 1 kg. Kg means kilogram. Okay. Kilogram is denoted as kg. So kg is equal to gram. Gram means g. Okay. Kg means kilogram. G means gram. So 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. Okay. Once we completed this chapter, after that I will recall this all the sums. Okay. So you learn now itself. You learn. If you have any doubt, you ask. Okay. See here. So 1 kg is equal to how much? 1000 gram. Because this chapter is little different, right? So again and again, if you practice means only you have to know the concept. So listen carefully. Okay. See here, 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. What is that? 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. Okay. 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. That you have to know. You have to study. Okay. See here, exercise 6.4. Exercise 6.4, write gram. If you would weigh the given objects in gram and kg if you would weigh them in kilograms. If some things are given means that things how you will take weight. If it is in gram means you have to write gram. If you want the object as kilogram means you have to write kilogram. So weight of the pencil. How you will take weight for this pencil? That is grams. So you have to write gram. Okay. Understood? Write G if you would weigh the given object in grams. Kg means you would weigh them in kilograms. Okay. So if weight of a pencil means one pencil, like one pencil means single means that is gram. Okay. Then next one, weight of one apple. One apple means that is in gram. Okay. If more apples are there means what is that? Yes, 1 kilogram, 2 kilogram, like that we will buy, right? Our parents buy like that as 1 kg of apple, 2 kg of apple, like that. If it is 1 apple means what? That is gram. 1 apple is gram. So weight of 1 apple is gram. Like that only we will weigh, right? The next one, school bag. School bag is there. That is in gram? No. That is in kilogram. Weight of a school bag. That is in kilogram. Okay. Then weight of a crayon box. Crayon box is less weight, right? That is in gram. Okay. So weight of a crayon box, gram. Okay. Understood, ma? So weight of the pencil is gram. Weight of 1 apple is gram. If it is a not one apple, more apples means kilogram. Okay. So here weight of 1 apple is gram. The next one, weight of a school bag is kilogram. Okay. The next one, weight of a crayon box, gram. Understood, ma? So next. So we use kilograms to weigh heavy object. Heavy object is there means that is called kilogram. Okay. Sack of rice, sack of pulses, that and all more weight, right? That and all we will use to weigh kilograms. Okay. Less weight means that is in gram. Understood now? Yes. Then see here, weight of chips packet. Weight of chips packet. Okay. Weight of chips packet, that is in gram, because chips packet and all very less, right? So gram. Then weight of sack of rice. Sack of rice means, yes, kilogram. So more weight, right? So that is kilogram. Okay, like this only you will weigh the objects. Understood? Yes. So shall we go for these sums, converting grams to kilograms? Already I said you have to learn 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram, right? Already you learned. From here I said 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. That only now we want to learn. Okay. See here, 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram or 1000 grams equal to 1 kg. Anything is correct only. Okay. So from grams to kilograms means this one you have to learn. 1000 grams equal to 1 kg. Okay. So first we are going to see converting grams to kilograms. So grams to kilograms means grams to kilograms. That formula you have to know. 1000 grams to 1 kg. Kilogram. Kg means what? Kilogram. G means what? Grams. Okay. So next one you see here. See the example. Convert the following to kilograms. Okay. Convert the following to kilograms. So what is the question is given? 2000 grams. So see here, 2000 grams equal to how much? That one you have to learn. Okay. See here, 2000 grams. That is the question. So you have to convert into gram here. 2000 grams. It's given as gram. You have to convert into kilograms. What you have to do? Already you know the formula, right? 1000 grams equal to 1 kilogram. Am I correct, ma? 1000 grams equal to 1 kilogram. That is the formula you have to know. Now the question is what? 2000 grams. So 2000 grams equal to how much? What you have to do? First, what is the number? 2 is the number. Yes. So 2 into how many zeros are given? 3 0. Am I correct? So you have to write 1, 2, 3. That is gram. Am I correct? 1000 gram. First, you see the number. What is the number is given? 2. That number you have to write. 2 into how many zeros? 1000 means 3 zeros will come, right? That one you have to write here. The next step, that 2 you have to write here. Into 1000 grams equal to how many kilogram? 1000 grams equal to how many kilogram? 1 kilogram. This 1 kg you have to write here. Because the formula here 1000 gram is 1000 grams equal to 1 kilogram. That only you are here you are writing. Okay. So 2 into 1 kg. So 2 ones are what? 2. So write the answer as 2 kg. So the question is gram. The answer is kilogram. So you converted. Very easy, right? Once again, listen carefully. 2000 gram. The question is 2000 gram. You have to convert into kilograms. Okay. So 2000 gram means first you have to see the number. The number is 2. So you have to write 2 into how many zeros are there? 3 zeros. 3 zeros means what? That is 1000. Am I correct? Yes. So you have to write 1000 gram. So from this 1000 gram, see the formula 1000 grams equal to 1 kg. Am I correct? Yes. So from that formula, you have to write 1000 grams equal to 1 kilogram. Okay. The next one. So 2 ones are, then you have to multiply this one. 2 into 1. So 2 ones are how much? 2 ones are, already you know the tables, right? Yes, 2 ones are 2. So you have to write 2 kg. Here kg is there, right? Kg means what? Kilogram. So you have to write kilogram here. Okay, understood everyone? Yes, one more example is given. See that 1250 gram. So the question is what gram? So what you have to do? You have to convert this gram into kilogram. Am I correct? Yes. Here we saw what? 0, 0, 0. But here you see here the number is given. Am I correct? Yes. But here only 2 is given other than 0, 0, 0. But here 1250. So first what you have to do? You have to split it as 1000 plus that number. So here 1250, right? So you have to split it as 1 into 1000 gram. Okay, this 1250 is there, right? This is, what is the number? 1250. So first you have to split 1000. 1 into 1000 plus this 250. So 250 gram. Okay, so 1 into 1000 gram. So that is 1000 gram. This one you have to write into 1000 gram plus this 250. Okay, here 0 is given, so no need to write anything. But here 250 is given, that one you have to include. So here 1 into 1000 grams equal to how many kg? 1000 grams equal to 1 kg. So you have to write here 1 kg plus 250 gram. Okay, understood? 250 gram. Then 1 ones are 1 kg plus 250 grams. So no need to write this plus. Okay, you write just 1 kg is equal to answer. 1 kg is equal 1 kg into 250 grams. So you converted into gram into kilogram. Okay, gram into kilogram. This is the answer. Okay, two methods are there. One method that given as 0, 0, 0. Another one method, some numbers are given. If numbers are given means you have to split 1000 plus some number. If it is 1000 means no need to split, like that you have to write. If it is a number means, number is given means you have to split like this. Okay, understood? Shall we go for the exercise sum? See here. Exercise 6.6, convert the following to kilograms. Okay, so grams, 2000 grams. This one already we learned in the example sums, right? So shall we go for the 3000 gram? 3000 gram. 3000 gram means equal to what you have to do? First what I said? This number you have to write. 3 into. So here 0, 0, 0 only is there. The number is not given. So simply you write 1000 gram. So is equal to 3 into 1000 grams equal to how many kilogram? 1 kilogram. So 1 kg. So is equal to 3 ones are 3 kg. Very easy, right? Yes. So like that you have to convert this kilograms. Okay. Okay. So next, one more example with this is 0, 0, 0. One more example, see here. 2350. Sorry, 1350. Okay, the question is 1350. So 1350 means what you have to do? You have to split, because here 0, 0, 0 is not there. Numbers are given. So what you have to do? First you have to split. So how you have to split? 1 into 1000 gram plus this 350. 350, what is that? Gram, right? Yes. So 1 into 1000 gram. So 1 into 1000 grams equal to how many kilogram? 1 kilogram plus 350 gram. So 1 ones are 1 kilogram. Then 350 gram. So you converted these two methods. Okay, just to see, two methods are there. This is 0, 0, 0 will come, but here number means you have to split and write. 0, 0, 0 means like this you have to write. So you have to know the two methods. Okay, this is converting grams to kilograms. Now we are going to see same only, converting kilograms to grams. Converting kilo, that is the formula. Same formula, 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. Okay, so there what we learned, 1000 grams equal to 1 kg. Here 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. Same formula only, you have to interchange the numbers. Okay, so see here, first you see the example. 2 kg is given. See here, here we 2 kg. So kilogram is given, you have to convert it into what? You have to convert it into gram. So 2 kg, how you have to split? 2 into, here no number, so 1 gram. 2 into 1 gram. Sorry, here kilogram is there now. So see here, 2 into 1 kilogram. See here it is kilogram means you have to write kilograms. Okay. So 2 into, here 2 is given, so you have to write 2 into 1 kilogram. So 2 into 1 kilogram is equal to how many grams? 1000 grams. So you have to write 1000 grams. Okay. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. So that one you have to write. Then 2 into 1000, how much? This 2, then this 30. 1, 2, 3. So 2000 gram. The answer is what? 2000 gram. Just you have to write this 2 and this 30 you have to write. So 2000 gram. Understood? If it is kg, if it is both given means, for example 1 kg 50 gram. Like this means what you have to do? 1 kg 50 gram. So first you have to split this 2 kg like this, you did not. Like that 1 kg you have to do. 1 into this kg 1000 gram plus that 50 gram. Okay. Then 1 into 1000, what will come? Yes, 1000 gram plus 50 gram. Then you have to add these two. 1000 plus 50. How much? 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 5, 5. 0, 1. So what is the answer? 1050 gram. Okay, from kilogram you converted into gram. So here these two methods. There what you learned, two method, 0, 0, 0 and like this it will be. The number will be there. Right? But here what you have to do? Kilogram is given, then here kilogram and gram will be given. You have to convert into to gram. Understood? Yes. Shall we go for the exercise sum? Yes. So see here 3 kilogram is given. Right? First one is 3 kilogram. Only kilogram is given. So it is very easy. Right? So first what you have to write is, here you see 3 is given. Right? So that number you have to write into, what you have to do? 3 into 1 kg. Okay, 3 into 1 kg. If the number is 4 means what you have to do? 4 into 1 kg. If the number is 5 means what you have to do? 5 into 1 kg. So here 3 into 1 kg. 3 into 1 kilogram is equal to how many grams? 1000 grams. So 1000 grams you will tell. Then 3 into 1000 gram. 3 into 1000 gram means 3 into, you have to write this. First you have to write the number, then you have to write these 30. So 1, 2, 3. Am I correct? Yes. So 3000 grams. This is very easy. Okay. See here just you have to write only. The number you have to write into how many grams? 1 grams. If it is 4 means what you have to do? 4 into 1 kilogram. If it is 5, 1 kilogram. Then 1 kilogram. What is 1 kilogram? 1 kilogram is equal to how many grams? Yes. 1000 grams. So that one you have to write. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. So 3 into 1000 how much? 3000. Okay, first you have to write this 3. Then how many zeros you have to add? Just count. 1, 2, 3. So that one you have to write here. Okay, so 3000 grams. Okay, very easy. So next one, see here 1 kg and 100 gram. Like this the question is there, right? So what you have to do, just you have to see this one. No need to see that gram. Okay, only you have to see the kilogram. So in this 1 kg is equal to how much? First you have to see this 1. 1 into, already I said, right? Here 3 means what you have to do? 3 into 1 kg. If it is 4 means what I said? Yes, 4 into 1. So here 1 kg is there. So what you have to do? Just you have to write this 1 here. Then 1 into again 1 kg. For all the sums you have to multiply with 1 kilogram. Okay, understood ma? So see here 1 into 1. Then you know the tables, right? Yes. So 1 into, see here 1 kg is equal to, you know the formula, right? Yes. 1 kilogram is equal to how many grams? Yes, 1000 grams. That you have to write here. Okay. Yes. Then 1 into 1000 you have to multiply. So 1 ones are 1. Then again how many zeros you have to add? 3 zeros. So you have to add 3 zeros. Okay. So here 100 gram also there, right? So you have to add these 100 gram. Okay, 100 gram. So 1000 gram plus 100 gram. So here also gram, gram. So you have to add the both. 1000 then 100. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 1, 1. Then 1. So what is the answer here? 1100 gram. Okay, 1100 gram. Understood everyone? So today only I am giving grams and kilograms. Okay, so from that you have to first you have to learn the formula. 1000 grams equal to how many kilograms? 1 kilograms. So 1 kg is equal to how many grams? 1000 grams. From this, converting grams to kilograms, two methods are there, right? See here, one is like this. Only the 000 like 1000 that will give. Otherwise, the numbers will be given. If it is 000 means no need to write more. See here, 3 into like how many zeros are there, that one. Then 1000 grams equal to how many, that one you have to write. Okay. Then if it is number means no need to worry about that number. Okay. Just you have to add. See, 1 into this 1 into 1000 gram plus this 350 you have to add. So 1000 grams equal to what? 1 kilogram. So 1 into 1 kilogram. Then you have to add 350. So total you have to write like this. Okay. This is gram into kilogram. So kilogram to gram means what you have to do? There also two methods are there. So 2 kg. So 2 kg is equal to how much? 2 into, already I said the number is given means just you have to multiply with 1 kilogram. So 1 kilogram is equal to how much? 1000 grams. So you have to write 1000 grams, then you have to multiply. The same like that, 1 kg means just you have to do the same step, but here 50 gram is given, that you have to add. Okay, this kg you have to convert into gram, and then you have to, these both are grams, so you have to add like that. Okay, understood? Yes. So today I am giving only this one. You have to learn. Okay, so totally meter, centimeter we learn, and kilograms and grams. In the next class we will see liter and milliliter. That also very easy. Okay, so you have to do the worksheet. Okay, this worksheet 2, first one, second one, and fifth one and sixth one you have to do. First one, second one, and fifth one and sixth one you have to do. Next class I will say the answer. Okay, so you have to do first one, second one, and fifth one and sixth one. From that worksheet you have to do and practice. Okay, so totally how many sums? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 sums are there. You have to do and practice. Okay, next class I will say the answer. Okay, so if you have doubt means you have to ask me. Okay ma? Okay, you have to learn. This is the basic things, so you have to learn. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.